hard to wake up, fill my coffee cup, I'm out the door. Yeah, the freeway, standing still today, is gonna make me late, and that's for sure.